the catch for this morning. Look at this, buhay pa. And meron tayong isang maliit na hamon. Oh,
very nice color. Huh? Variety color.
so ito yung kuha namin, less than 2 hours. Yung nakita nyo, buhay pa oh. Ganyan siya ka-fresh. May alimasag, may nura. Alright, power on. So this is what happens now. What happened now to the catfish? See how fresh it is. Look at that meat, so fresh. And Midun is gonna cook it. Don't worry, this will not go to. Don't put YouTube, huh? See the water. See the fillet. See that meat.
Still fresh.
Arnold, so this is the fish that ipakita nimo sa ko ah. So we're cooking it Indian dish. And we're not wasting any piece of meat here. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Ito lang yung huli ko ngayon. It's not maliit lang pero yun na. Hamor, baby hamor. Alright. And for 1 hour, this is what we caught. Oh, still alive. The freshest fish you can see. Hello. Only these 2 fish are alive. Oh, there. It's very humid outside, but managed. Not bad. I'm jumping. Okay, so welcome to the moment of truth. So this is our chef, Midun G. And this is the catfish that we caught this morning. It was fried. And these are the rest of the fish. Look at that.
Sherry.
Look at that, man.
This also sherry. This also
Yes.
sherry. This is another one. Huh?
Yeah, it's spicy. It's Indian style
Kerala
cooking.
style, Kerala.
Kerala style. Alhamdulillah. And one more on the frying
last
pan.
one. The last is sherry.
But this is very interesting. See, looks like chicken,
Yeah.
and with all the spices. And let's try later. So guys, Zabrat, ito na ngayon yung final namin huli. So 3 hours sa dagat, ito yung mga nakuha namin. Very fresh. So, prito, this one bibigay natin kay Alex, dadalhin namin sa Abu Dhabi sa Monday. Okay, Alex, tinolang tangigi. So action for today, ito yung huli namin. Tatlong alimasag, saka assorted fish, assorted isda. Alright, may supply na this week. Yan, nakahuli na ako guys. Lai, another balo. Ayan mo. Alright, mga 1.2 kilos. Alright. Yeah, fish on. Small one. Pamprito. Alright. Number 2.
Na-surprise naman ako.
Ano masasabi mo, ate?
Lakad natin, itong nakita. Hoy, saan yung asawa ko? Dun sa dulo.
Hearts, ate!
Ano ba?
Wait.
Makita?
Isa.